Do you know that there is a simple natural way to make your cucumbers grow stronger, healthier, and produce more fruit? This procedure not only improves the quality of the soil, but also helps the plants recover faster from stress and disease. It is ideal for any gardener who wants an organic approach without using chemicals. I'll tell you everything you need to know about this simple yet powerful blend. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel to keep up with all the tips for growing vegetables and organic farming methods. Also, write to us from which city you are watching us. We would love to hear where all your cucumbers are grown. To prepare this amazing solution, you will need only a few simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 5 liters of lukewarm water. Mix all the ingredients well and use this liquid to water the cucumbers once every 2 weeks. This natural treatment helps to strengthen the roots, protect against diseases, and the plants will repay you with abundant and healthy fruits. If you want your plants to be healthier and more productive, this is the ideal recipe for you. Gardener, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.